Stop acting like a piggy, you idiot.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ellis County in north central Texas, south central Dallas County in north central Texas until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Glen Heights, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible.
Yeah, right.
Locations impacted include Dallas, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Lancaster, Waxahachie, Ennis, Midlothian, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Wilmer, Ovilla, Ferris, Palmer, Oak Leaf, Bardwell Lake, Garrett, Bristol, and Pecan Hill. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 396 and 420. Interstate 20 between mile markers 464 and 469. Interstate 45 between mile markers 251 and 267. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.